Alongside greater than, we of course have less than. So I'll keep this part brief. It's pretty straightforward. Let's select all the books released before the year 2000. And let's just get their title and released year from books where released year is less than 2000. And here they are. We get 5 books, 96, 81, 89, 85, 45. We could even do something like sort them if we wanted to, right? Order by released year. And now we go from 1945 up to 1996. So that's one example of less than. Let's do one more. Let's find the short books. I don't know if we have any books that are shorter than 200 pages. Select title, comma, pages from books where pages is less than 200. And we do have some. 198, 176, 181. All right. So that's working. The next thing I want to talk about is greater than or equal to, and also less than or equal to. So let's take a look at our books again. And we've got years here, release year. Sure, let's say I want to find all the books released after 2010, but I also want to include 2010. So one option would be this, right? Select star, or let's narrow it and just do title release year from books. And then I could say where release year is greater than 2010, but that is non-inclusive. It doesn't also include any rows that were released in 2010. So I could do this, which is kind of janky, 2009, and now I'm getting 2010, but maybe there's also fractional 2009.5. That would be included, even though we don't have any of those. So that's maybe not the best approach. Instead, I can do greater than or equal to. It's just greater than and then an equal sign immediately after, and then 2010. So now this will include all rows where the value for release year is either 2010 exactly or anything greater than 2010. And there we are. We get 2016, 12, 13, 14, 17, but also 2010. And the same thing holds true for less than. So if I did all books released before 1985, there's 2 of them, 81 and 45. But I'm pretty sure there's a book released in 1985. So if I do less than or equal to, again, the equal sign comes after the less than. Now we include White Noise, released in 1985. Great book. So just remember, it is less than and then the equal sign, or greater than and then the equal sign. It is not this. It's not that sad looking face or the arrow. It is this here.